Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Richlight Insider. Today we're gonna talk about stock market, Amazon, AMC, NIO, Xpeng, Li Auto, and QS. If this is your first time to Richlight Insider, we talk about stock investing, real estate investing, and how to make money online. So if you're interested in making money, so you can subscribe to our channel so you do not miss any of our videos. And don't forget to get free stocks and audibles in the description and comment at the end of the video. So let's talk about these stocks: Amazon, AMC, NIO, Xpeng, Li, and QS. So April 15. So let's look at the stock market. Stock market was mostly up. S&P 500, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, Russell. Uh, Crude oil was down. Gold, silver were down. And USD appreciated against Euro but depreciated against British pound, and appreciated against Japanese yen. And Bitcoin was up as well. That's pretty interesting. So these are the top trading volume stocks for today. CTRM and Sendai, these have been on the top for the past few days. For the past few days, and these are penny stocks. So this went down. This used to be $3 stock. My stock members, they asked me if they should trade this stock, but this is just a very, very speculative stock. It's not good for long term because they issue shares and dilute the shares a lot. I don't like the shipping. I don't like the shipping maritime. So these two are no. That the rest, Bank of America, NIO, Apple, yeah, these are the stocks that I can think about holding for long term. Apple, yes, I have it. And Bank of America, yes, for the dividend portfolio, I have it as well. NIO, yes, as well. NIO is going down. So let's see how this is gonna play out for the next few days, or are they going to keep going down, or are they going back up again? So let's look at the stock market. Microsoft, Apple, Google, almost every stock is up, except for the energy, oil, crude oil, and some of the bank stocks were down. So you might think, you know what, today was a good day for most investors. Think again. Let me show you why today may not be good for everybody. Let's look at this. NIO. NIO stock was down. Today NIO stock was down. And let's look at year to date. It stayed down. And Xpeng, how about Xpeng? It's down today as well. In year to date, it's also down. Li Auto, look at this. It's down 6.73%. That's a lot. Year to date, it's also down as well. So compared to $43, that's really almost, it's more than half. And how about, except for Tesla? Tesla was up. So all the EV were down except for Tesla. So if you are somebody who has been investing in EV, like NIO, Xpeng, Li Auto, and other EV stock as well, then you could be losing money. For Tesla, you don't see so much difference. 729 to 738. It's not really that much different. How about QS? QS was down for like 12.2%. This is a company which went through SPAC, became a public companies. They are basically trying to manufacture battery, solid state battery. So why did it go down? It's because of a short seller reports causing a pump and dump SPAC scam by cynical Valley celebrities and compared to disgraced startup Theranos. So Theranos was like medical company, that lady, she started it up. She said that you can get a blood tested within a few seconds, a few minutes, but it turned out to be wrong. So like the same with Quantumscape, they haven't got any product yet. They don't have any customer. They don't have any revenue. So they are still doing research. Try to make the solid state battery. So why did they say Scorpion Capital basically based on the interviews with former Quantumscape employees alleges that many of the battery startups claims are false. So what they are saying is that whatever the days CEO and management from Quantumscape company were saying it's not wrong. It's not right. It's wrong. And this company cannot even make the test says that what. So it will be interesting to see tomorrow and in the next few days to see how Quantumscape management gonna respond. So based on that information, this stock can go up or can keep going down. So usually I don't really like to did buy these stocks, especially speculative stock. But if you are willing to trade, this could be a did buy opportunity for you. So another thing is the AMC. AMC, the other CEO says stock is under attack from short sellers. Short seller and short interest rose to 50% in March, about 73.8 million shares, and the CEO also said, they have no plan to issue any new 500 million shares, which is good news. So that's why the stock was up today, 5.8%. Yesterday it was also up as well. So Wednesday and Thursday it went up. So it's interesting. Remember, the cinema is not a good business to be in for the long term at the moment. Because you see, a lot of cinemas are closing now. Unlike cinemas, Pacific Theater closed after pandemic. So if you are from California, you should know this theater. If you know about this theater, comment below how different it is from AMC. I believe the big ones are gonna stay like AMC and cinema and others big cinemas, but the small ones gonna go. So, but there could be some consolidation happening between the cinemas as well in the next 1 or 2 years, because a lot of people is gonna want to go to cinema this year or 2022, but 2023 not sure about it. But people already get used to all the. Yeah. So how about Coinbase? Like I said before in the yesterday video, Coinbase was down. So I might be probably buying this Coinbase. I will let you know in my stock member clubs. You can join in. The link is gonna be in description and comment below when I'm going to buy and what are my price targets. And another news is Amazon. Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos is stepping down. So he has thought about it for some time. He wanted to step down. He's going to become an executive chairman. So who's his next CEO? This guy. Oh no, not this guy. This one. This guy. Yeah. So Andy Jassy. Andy Jassy used to be COO of AWS, Amazon Web Services. He joined Amazon in 1997 after it became a public company. So this guy has been around for some time. He is a right hand man of Jeff Bezos. So I believe Jeff Bezos definitely made the right decision. How about investor? Do they agree that Jeff Bezos made the right decision? Yes, because look at it, the Amazon stock was up. Usually, if investors don't believe it, the stock usually goes down. So this stock was up as well, from the year January 4th. So I believe this stock could go higher, much higher than that. Okay, let's go back to slide. So and you can start right away. You don't need 100,000. You can start $10 a day, a few hundreds or a few thousand. If you want to buy Amazon, Tesla, or high price stock, you can use fractional shares. So the link is gonna be down below. That if you want to buy Coinbase, you can do that. You can also get free Bitcoin by clicking on the link down below in the description and comment. By opening an account, it takes about only less than 1 minute, and you can sign up for the M1 Finance. The link is gonna down below. Which is gonna give you $30 if you use my link. Yeah, so just open it and you can use fractional share, invest regularly. Then once you make profits, you can buy a house, and then you can become rich. Have a 6-figure portfolio. So get free stock, get the free audibles, and you can also switch to the mobile plan. It's very cheap, $15. I use it as well, very very good. So if you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.